The rain planes can be found under SASSE Library Effects Rain. We can drag and drop them into our scene. And like with some of those other background effects, or maybe foreground effects is a better example, but some of those background effects allowed us to have multiple planes. This also will let us do that. We can have more than one plane showing up. So I'll go to the side and you can see, just like the others, they get progressively larger. We can control the spacing between them and whether or not they scale by distance or remain the same size. So if you're, just looking out a window, maybe they can all stay the same size and that's fine. But if you have something mapped to your camera and you might have some movement around, then you might want to be able to, maintain the camera in its position and look around with a little more freedom and not have to worry about finding one of the edges of one of those planes. So we can hit play, and that will cause the rain to fall. We can change the color of the rain. And then the speed. So you can slow it down or speed it up.